is a winding road that's taken me to places that I didn't want to go.
Yes, so you tell your friends, I'll tell my friends. That sounds like, isn't that like a song?
Yes.
It's Chris Brown.
Yes.
You tell your friends and I'll tell... Okay.
Oh, man.
Well,
Today, in the blink of an eye, I'm holding on to something and I do not know why. I tried to read between the lines, I tried to look in your eyes. I want a simple explanation what I'm feeling inside. I gotta find a way out. Maybe there's a way out. Your voice was the soundtrack of my summer. To you now you're unlike any other. You'll always be my thunder. And I said, your eyes are the brightest of all the colors. I don't wanna ever love another. You'll always